How to tag someone in a post on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can tag someone in a post on LinkedIn. So how can you tag someone in a post on LinkedIn? The first step is to log in into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the LinkedIn page, you can see the LinkedIn logo by top left corner, search box, your name, your post, etc. So if you want to tag someone on in a post, the first thing is to create a post, right? And then by the top part of the screen, you can see the option start a post, and then you can just click on that box in there, and then you can now write out whatever you want to write here. All right, or you can click on more, and then you can try out other options by adding a document, finding an expert, etc. So if you want to tag someone in a post, all you need to do is to click on the at option by long pressing on shift and clicking on at. All right, and then once you click on ads, you see different options being displayed depending on the number of persons that you are following or the number of people that you have on your account. All right, so if you have numerous people or numerous contacts or numerous connections, they will all be displayed immediately you click on ads. Currently, these are the only persons I have connected to my account. That is why these are the only connections being displayed. But for you, you would see as many as possible. So if you want to tag someone, it's very simple. Like I said, just type out your posts this way. After typing out your post and you're done, press your shift and the add button, and then you wait for it to bring out your connections. And then you can just select the persons that you want to tag, and then click on post, and you're just like that, that particular person will be tagged, such that when you make this post, he or she you get a notification that he or she has been tagged, and they can now check out your post and also comment on it. So this is it. This is how you can tag someone in a post on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.